Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. Today is May 16th. It is Sunday, 2021. So I came out this morning. Well, I came out last night. I was out here about 12:30 last night. I had pushed everything into the center of the fire. Sat out here for a little while, and it was gorgeous. And so this morning, I got those other 3 rounds that were over here, and I put them in, and continued to get things going with this, and got this fire going again. And so this basically has been now officially been burning since yesterday. So when we got that going, now I got to show you what else we've been working on today. Becky and I have been very, very busy this morning, and it's about 11:30 now. You can see actually it looks like we might be getting some rain coming in here. Not 100% sure, but if we do, we do. That's all right. But this pile, if you remember how huge this pile was, and all those rounds and all that type of stuff, and these great big ones here, guys, just so you know, I did not pick these ones up. I rolled them over here. So I was like, nah, I'm not picking those up. So we had this other pile of brush down here, and we're going to go down here. And so there was still a bunch of stuff over in this area, and we got that piled in, and then Becky and I had been cleaning stuff out of here and then working on that. Mom was busy getting right with Jesus, right, Ma? You were busy getting right with Jesus this morning.
That's right.
So Becky and I were out here working, and we'll go on the other side of this fire in a second. But this whole area here, if you remember how that looked with all that stuff down, Becky and I cleared all of this out of here as well. And so we had been, this fire, well, not the fire itself, but the pile was huge. And I'm going to have to feed some of this stuff in here. But we just kept feeding the fire, and it's just been burning really, really well. So that has been a good thing. So just been busy getting things cleaned up. That's kind of what our focus has been today, is cleaning stuff up and getting things burnt up. And so, I want to get in here with the lawnmower and really clean it up, well, which I'm going to be doing probably tomorrow. And but yeah, it's been a lot of work already today. So, but now we were clearing crap all out of here, and I just gotta come out and I gotta zip some of this up. Like, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with all this here. I gotta figure that out. I can cut some more of that through and make that smaller, and then roll it in, and then we can try to burn all that stuff up. But we'll get all this stuff as well into the fire. But so Becky's working in this area right now, and Mom's over there putting sticks in. Mom just came out a little while ago. So, but yeah, so I just, we're going to continue to work in this, get this cleaned up, get that cleaned up as much as we possibly can. And then we'll have Bill come in with the bulldozer and get rid of all of the stumps and everything else. But we're going to I got to get in to here as well, back in here, over there, and just try to cut as much of this up as I can, which obviously I'm going to do with the chainsaw, and we'll just keep working at it. But it's coming together. It's been a lot of work, been a very, very busy day, but productive, and I feel pretty good about what we got done so far today. And yeah, that one that's there, that bush right there, never mind. I was going to say, grab that bush that you got on the edge and throw that in the center. Please. Thank you. So I'm going to actually, when I get off camera, I'm going to get the rest of that pile back into where we got it burning well, and keep that going. But what the game plan is, I'm going to kind of show you. Once we have everything cleaned out of here, Obviously, what we're gonna, well, not obviously, but what we would like to do is want to do fruit trees all through here. We still need to come in this area over here and clean all this out here. I would like to put fruit trees down both sides of the driveway. And we got the apple trees here. And so my property line, I'm going to show you. This whole area here is also mine. So I want to clean this all up, which we will do. I don't know if we're going to get to this part this year, but my property line is right here. So I would like to clean all this out, and it's a good spot where it's going to get a lot of sunshine here. So I would like to have fruit trees and stuff in here as well. Utilize the space instead of overgrowth and scrub little trees and brambles and all that other nonsense. Really open it up, make it look pretty, and have some, you know, good trees and stuff growing in here. And we will. Like I said, it's just gonna, we gotta, because Mom was already wanting to come over here and start working in this area, and Beck's like, nope, we gotta get this done first. She goes, Mom, I know you don't want to do it, but that's what we gotta do first. So.
What line of baloney are you telling them?
No, I'm telling him how you wanted to come over here and Becky told you no.
Yes, I know.
Here, Beck, hold that a second. And I just want to get some of this stuff fed into the center.
You can't even see the picture on here.
Huh?
You sure it's going? There's no picture.
Yeah, it's going. Let me see what we got here. Yeah, it's going.
Okay.
I'm like, wait a minute. We got all that stuff there. Got to get into that. Oh man, that freaking. You stand right there, it goes right in your face.
I know it's darn hot. What a good burning day, you know?
Uh-huh.
Oh, Lucy.
Hey, Mom, you want to move that cart? 'Cause it's right in the way of the filming.
Okay.
Thank you.
Man, that's hot.
Yes, it is. Look how those weeds have grown up over there where we did all the prickle bushes.
Uh-huh. Okay, Luce, it hurts. His nails are sharp.
I can feel the heat over here.
Uh-huh.
bottom's getting more air in it or something that it's starting up. So rip-roaring, honey.
Yep.
Oh, look at Lou sit angry like that.
Uh-huh.
Oh. You see Lucy, Ed?
Yeah. Always over there.
Yeah?
He's getting some lovin's. Like always.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
never enough for Luce. Oh, Luce, it's never enough. 24 hours a day, still not enough lovin's.
I think that wind is really helping that bird, too.
Uh-huh.
Really,
Okay,
the
Luce.
big ones out.
Come on.
Hi, baby.
Here, Mom.
What do you want me to do?
Just hold it. Just don't put your fingers in front.
Don't put your fingers?
In the front.
All right. Okay, Luce. Lucy's demanding attention over here.
Of course he is. All right. That's better. So you're always going to want to feed that fire wherever the hot spot is. The outsides we're not going to ever catch, or it would take forever and the fire would burn down and you wouldn't be able to utilize that. So that's why I was pulling everything in. So, but anyway, that's our project today. Getting this stuff cleaned up, which is going to make a big difference. It's going to look so much better. And I'll get the lawnmower out tomorrow and I'm going to clean all this up. And I might even do it this afternoon. I'm not sure yet. We'll see what happens. But so that's what we're working on. I will be live streaming tonight at 8 p.m. So I would ask you to join me then. And we can go over more about the Prepper Fest. We will talk about that and other topics as well. But I'm sure a lot of people have a lot of questions. And so I figured the best way to address that is definitely in a live stream. Because you guys can ask questions about the Prepper Fest and then we can just kind of go from there. But I think it's going to be a blast. I think we're going to have a really good time. And so that's where we're at. All right. So anyway, guys, I am going to jump off here for now because I want to get more of this pushed back into the center of this fire and utilize that because that is extremely hot in the center. And I want to make sure, like I said, I utilize that. So remember, guys, we are all in this together. That is important to remember. We are one race called the human race. And as soon as we can focus on that and not all the other petty nonsense that they keep perpetuating out there all the time to keep us divided and fighting against each other, we're going to be in much better shape. Remember also to hug and kiss the ones you love. Tell them every single day Tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life, so it's really important that you tell the people that you care about every day how you feel. Last but not least, STD, step, thing, and day. One step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you're trying to do, whatever you're trying to accomplish, you can do it. The only one that is going to stop you from reaching those goals is you. That's it. Nobody else can stop you. Stay positive, stay away from the negativity, and you're going to be just fine. All right? I will see you all later. I will see you tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Have a great day. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now.